The show is about to begin. I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, your F22 Raptor. Advanced flight controls, combined with its powerful engines, allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 tons of force of gravity. Watch from the left as the Raptor demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn, and then power straight out into the vertical. If you're gonna be stealthy, you must have a clean profile, requiring all your bombs and missiles be carried internally. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly maneuverable stealth fighter in the world, with a fully internal combat weapons load. Ready your cameras as the Raptor banks in from the right and cycles his weapons bay doors. Folks, if you've ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. We would like to dedicate this task to the men and women of the armed forces and their families who support them. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans and attendants, and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. Now from behind and to the left, the F-22 proudly presents the dedication pass.